Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm Frulata3D and today I'm gonna create a Valentine's Day themed art toy. As usual, we're gonna go through the entire process from modeling to printing and painting, so let's get started. If you've seen my other videos, you'll know that I always start with the same base and then I model the upper part of the body. After modeling and sculpting, this is the result. Now I'm gonna add some materials. And here's how the final render turned out. I then bring the model into Bambu Studio to add supports and slice it. I'm now starting to get a little more comfortable with printing my own designs, so I'm looking forward to the result. After removing the supports, this is how it turned out. And now my least favorite part, painting. I'm just really not good at it. After coating the model in white, I painted a very light pink and I pinned the red hearts. And now it's time for some beauty shots. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed the video and if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you in the next one.